In 1925, a British explorer, Percy Fawcett, set out in search of a city in the Amazon rainforest which is said to be made entirely of gold, and its king bathes in gold powder every day. But that day Percy Fawcett left his camp, but never. Dear viewers, the Amazon rainforest is the world's largest rainforest, which is surprisingly shared by 8 countries. Area is 70 lakh square kilometers. In such a large area, to countries like India and 28 countries like the United Kingdom can fit. Just as we have not been able to explore a large part of the oceans yet. A large part of the Amazon rainforest is still far from humans. Here, plants, animals, and microbes live in such species that only 10% of them have been identified. Every day, a new species is explored here. There are about 40 billion trees in the Amazon rainforest. And this is why this forest is also called the lungs of the earth. 20% of all oxygen in the world is released by the Amazon rainforest. According to an estimate, there are about 200,000 people living in the Amazon rainforest who have no connection to the outside world, because a large part of the Amazon is still unexplored. Whatever is hidden under this shield of the jungle is still an unsolvable problem for the world. Today, we will learn about some of the mysteries of the Amazon jungle. Some of them have been solved, but many of them are still beyond science. First, let's talk about the City of Gold. The biggest mystery of the Amazon forest to date is the City of Gold, which is also called El Dorado. It is said that there was a time when there was a city here that was made entirely of gold, and the king here used to bathe in gold powder every day and spill all the gold in the Amazon River. Yes, in the 16th century the Europeans came to South America where the Amazon forest is present. They had made a plan to occupy many soldiers in this area with them. Here they faced the local people of Amazon who had settled their cities here. The Europeans took over the cities they had built, and at the end of the 16th century, they learned that there was a city in the Amazon forest that was made entirely of gold. So the Europeans started looking for this El Dorado city. After exploring the entire Amazon forest, they did find many tribes here, but they could not find the city they were looking for. While they did find a lot of gold here, after continuing the search for the next 200 years, El Dorado was finally declared a myth. After that, in the 19th century, a British explorer, Percy Fawcett, decided to search for El Dorado again. He did a total of 8 expeditions in the Amazon, but during this time, he did not find El Dorado after a long time. Not even the other cities mentioned by the Europeans. In his last expedition, Percy Fawcett was in the middle of the Amazon when he last contacted him. After that, he left in search and never returned. It was May 29, 1925, and the place from where he disappeared was the state of Brazil, Mato Grosso. He was searched for many months, but neither Percy Fawcett nor his dead body was found. The scientific community believes that this place is not suitable for humans to live, so no city or village can be built here. But over time, when technology became quite advanced, then they found some signs in the Amazon, which shows that in some period of times had built entire cities here. Actually, the place Percy Fawcett was looking for was absolutely correct, but the way to find it was not correct. Here, researchers have found human waste buried in the ground in many places. Scientists have used LiDAR scanning devices in many places in the Amazon and have also found stone structures under the thick forest layer, which have been hidden by the forest over time. The National Geographic team has also searched for a city in the Amazon 15 kilometers from the Caribbean coast in which entire 2,500-year-old structures were found buried in the mountains. But which of these is El Dorado, and where was it in such a large Amazon forest? This has been a mystery to the scientific community. For there are many tribes in this vast Amazon jungle that have never seen the outside world. Yes, even anthropologists do not know how these people live in the jungle. One of these tribes is known as Piripora, which lives in western Brazil. There were thousands of people in this tribe before, but only 15-20 are left now. We learned about this tribe only after 1998, when they first came into contact with the outside world. From there, language, it seemed that they wanted to express their pain. When anthropologists decoded their words, they found out that their tribe used to be quite strong. But then some captive mafias killed all their companions badly to mine in the forest, some of whom survived. There are many such tribes that have settled in the Amazon jungle. No one has been able to find out where these people came from, whether they have any connection with the tribes that lived here thousands of years ago. Number 3, historians have not been able to confirm for centuries when the people of the Amazon tribe came here. But in 2017, this riddle was solved when archaeologists saw some paintings on the mountain near Colombia in the Amazon forest. These big stones were completely buried inside the mountain, and it was very important to expose them to understand these paintings. Therefore, when archaeologists dug 13 kilometers here, they found out that these stones were present in a cave at some point in time. The paintings found in this 13 kilometers cave were about 12,000 years old. At that time, the ending of the last ice age was going on, and it is obvious that at that time there was no forest here, but only ice. Some such animals were also found in these paintings that only existed in the Ice Age, such as mastodons and giant sloths. These paintings also gave an idea of the condition of humans living here at that time and how they hunted even bigger animals than themselves. Number 2, in 2019, scientists were shocked when they found a dead humpback whale on the Marajo Island of the Amazon forest in North Brazil. Surprisingly, the whale did not die, but its death timing was against the laws of nature. Not only that, but the whale was found near the Amazon River on the ground. It was actually a tent on baby whale. These whales enjoy warm water in the sea near the Amazon from October to November in the winter, but then they go south in search of food near Antarctica. But how did this whale die near the Amazon in February? The investigation found that the day it was found, it had died only 4 days earlier. Neither did it have any prey on its body, nor did it have any injuries. So now there are many questions here. First, how did the whale get here in this weather? Why did it come from the sea to the Amazon River? And most importantly, how did it get to the ground in the middle of the Amazon forest? That day and today, this mystery could never be solved. And now number 1. Another secret of the Amazon forest was discovered in 2013 when a chemistry student near Peru found this strange structure in the Amazon. It was made on a plant leaf, which looked quite mysterious. There was a cone made of silk right in the center of it, and there was a huge fence made of silk all around it. The student took pictures of this structure and posted them on the internet. But surprisingly, no one had ever seen such a structure. For further investigation, a team of scientists visited this part of Peru. In a little while, they found more than 45 such structures. Some were made on trees and some on plant leaves. This mysterious structure was named the silk henge, and some of them were taken to the laboratory with them. With the help of a microscope, it was seen that small dust mites were roaming on the fence. These insects do not produce silk, so it was confirmed that they did not make this structure. A few days later, the cone in the middle of the fence began to burst slowly, and a spider's baby came out of it. Actually, this structure was made by a special species of spider, which is found only in the western Amazon. These spiders make the fence around their eggs so that small dust mites get stuck in it. And when their baby comes out of the egg, he must have something to eat. I hope you will like and share this video of Focus on. Thank you very much for your loving comments. See you in the next great video.